everyone, how are you doing? I hope you've had a great weekend. So today we're opening the July Bombay and Cedar box, and this is one of my favorite subscriptions to open. It came with like one side just like completely exposed. It looks like everything's okay inside, so let's hope so. Isn't that a weird way to receive it? It doesn't look like it was like on purpose or anyone like tried to get anything from it, but I guess we will see in just a moment. So I have the premium box. They have both a premium and a mini version. I will leave the link to this down below along with a 10% promo code and the pricing. So if you want any information, definitely use that link. If you want to purchase it or subscribe, definitely use that code to save some money. But yeah, like I said, this is one of my favorites. So if you haven't heard of Bombay and Cedar, it is a lifestyle box. It's like a wellness, lifestyle, and aromatherapy box. So it's full of great things. They only have like good for you, cruelty-free type items, which I find very important. So that is one of the many reasons why I love this box. It's so fun to open, and there are just so many good things that we get. So let's get started and see what is inside. Alright, so everything is wrapped in tissue paper, and then this card is on top, or not card, it's more like a pamphlet. It says July 2019, and it looks like the theme for July is Elevate. And it says inside, I am ready to see things differently. Be ready. Choosing to widen your mindset and viewpoint is essential to elevating your mind. Looking at things from a different angle will reveal to you things you may have never noticed before. The moment you change your perspective of the world, the moment your behavior will too. So go out there and make yourself aware of the things around you and view them differently. Team Bombay and Cedar. Isn't that so nice? I love like little messages like that. And then on the inside it lists all the products along with their value. And it looks like the premium box is a total value of $145.19 and the mini box $82.19. So awesome. That is great value like always. So let me open this tissue. I'd pick it up and show you, but all sides of the box are open now. I'm afraid it'll spill everywhere since I tend to spill things even when they're not broken. And everything does look intact, so that is awesome. I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see on top. It says Pearly Wipes Project number 2, the Vanity Project. So what is this? Dentist approved, contains 1 compact, 1 drink, 2 clean, 3 go. A quick mouth cleanup when no toothbrush is in sight. Oh, cool. So this is like a little kit you can bring with you when you're on the go. Here's the back. I'm not sure I showed you. I'm gonna open it and see. But this is small enough definitely to keep in your bag. Oh, and there is a little mirror on it too. So it's in this compact. That is awesome, and it says please remove protective film. So there's a film over the mirror to protect it, and it says there are 15 peppermint flavored wipes. So let's read more about it. Sorry, I shouldn't put the mirror towards you guys. I guess it's because that's something over it so you can't really tell. But so this is $10.95. Clean and whiten your teeth on the go with these convenient natural teeth wipes that remove residue and staining from coffee, teeth, lips, lip stains, wine, and more while refreshing breath. So that's cool. So these are little wipes. I'm gonna keep it closed so I don't like accidentally dry them out or anything like that, but I've never used like a wipe on my teeth, so this is exciting, and I could definitely use some whitening. I did use a white strip the other day. I'm gonna try and keep doing it because I do drink coffee every day, and I do have a glass of wine a few nights a week at least, so I could definitely use something like this, and I think it's great how it's in a compact so you can bring it with you on the go. So awesome, can't wait to try that out. I love getting things that are like totally unique and I've never used before. Oh, here's something called Neuromints, Energy, Clarity, and Focus, Natural Caffeine plus L-theanine, Sugar-Free Energy Mints. There are 12 pieces. I heard the word caffeine and I'm like, yes. So on the back it says, feel your body, activate your mind. Sorry, now it's reflective. Hopefully you guys can see something there. So this is $3.50. And it says Neurogum's proprietary nootropic caffeine plus L-theanine blend with brain-activating B6 and B12 vitamins has scientifically shown to boost focus and cognition. I'm totally gonna use this after. Let's see how much caffeine's in here. So there's less than half a cup of coffee in here if you're worried about that. It's only 40 milligrams and they say like an average cup of coffee has 100 milligrams. So I'm really excited to like try this. It's vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and aspartame-free. So cool. I'm gonna have to try this out after. I was gonna try right now, but I don't wanna be like chewing throughout the video. That could bother some people. So every month there is a snack in here, and this is the snack this month. It looks like it's like a fruit bar. Yep, it's the Strawberry Fruit Leather by Stretch Island, and it's 79 cents. I almost said $7. 79 cents, so less than $1. Stretch Island's terrifically tart and still sweet enough to eat. Fruit leather strips are the perfect grab-and-go snack when you're in a dash. I honestly love stuff like this. I've gotten them like in other subscription boxes. Like they seem like they're for kids, but they're really good. They can be for anyone. So there's 0 grams of added sugar. 100% fruit ingredients, gluten-free, non-GMO, and there's only 50 calories, so nice little snack. Awesome. Ooh, a shower spray. This is cool. I could use this. It says shower spray. Awaken Steam Therapy. See, this box is so cool. I get things I don't already have, and I have a lot of stuff. So 100% pure and natural. Ease into your daily routine with a genuinely encouraging and peaceful blend of soothing citrus oils for an enhanced shower experience. So direction says shake well. A few sprays into the steamy air over your shower head will permeate the entire room with vapors to uplift your spirits and brighten your mood. Spray 2 or 3 times into any room for a gentle, nourishing aroma. Allow to dry before contact. Oh, I can try it in here then. Let's see. I love citrus scent. I'll have to open it. That's weird. It's like coming out the side. Can you guys see like the droplets? Oh, it definitely smells good. Hopefully mine's not like broken. Yeah, mine's just like coming out the side everywhere. It's all over. I'm gonna stop trying to do that. Hopefully it's not broken. I'll keep you guys updated on that. I guess I'm like, ugh, Tommy, but it smells really good. I don't know why I care. It smells awesome. So at least that's good, but the sprayer nozzle on mine seems to be broken. But I don't know, maybe I just didn't do it correctly. Like I moved this little knob to open like on the top, but I guess we'll have to see. Hopefully it's not totally broken. So this is $8. So cool. It says with this essential oil shower spray, you can benefit with multifaceted medicinal properties while enjoying fresh floral herbal extracts. So I hope I can get it to work because that sounds so nice. Oh, here's something by Evo Skin. This is a rejuvenating mask that contains cannabis sativa seed oil. This is what it looks like. Oh, and I should mention that shower spray is only in the premium boxes. So everything else I've said so far is in all of the boxes, including the mini. But moving back onto this, wow, this is $22. So this is the Rejuvenating Mask by Evo Skin and Aurora Cannabis. The natural fatty acids and antioxidants found in hemp seed oil make it a good choice if you suffer from dry or sensitive skin. Apply a thin layer to the face to use as an everyday moisturizer. Cool, so you can use it as a mask or as an everyday moisturizer. $22, wow. So it says it's natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and toxin-free. So if you want to use it for a mask, you keep it on for 15 minutes. It says for optimal results, use 2 times a week. Cool. Oh, yay! I love getting candles. I could tell this is a candle. It's all wrapped nicely. Let's get this out. Awesome, so this is a candle by Dwell, Magnolia Home, or it's by Magnolia Home and it is called Dwell. It's a soy wax candle. Oh man, it smells so good. You guys, I cannot get enough candles. I go through them so quickly. So this is available only in the premium box. It's the Craft Textured Candle by Magnolia Home. A simple glass candle that sits in a white textured craft bag can be used as a small catch-all when the candle is removed. Available in scents Dwell, Love, and Gather. And like I said, I have Dwell, and it smells so good. It is Magnolia Home, like, what's their name? Those people that are on like HGTV's brand. I can't remember their name. Someone knows. Maybe does it say somewhere in here? I don't know. Someone probably knows what I'm talking about. If you don't, sorry, just ignore me. But I am totally happy to get a candle. Like I said, I cannot get enough. And then we have a brush here. This is the Bamboo Hairbrush by Be Kind. Be Kind's hairbrush is a large wooden bristle which helps to naturally condition your hair and evenly distribute your hair's natural oils. It is $17. It looks like it's missing like just one little bristle. I have so many brushes right now. I have like 4 and I have like one in all my rooms that I get ready in and stuff. So I'm gonna put this in my giveaway. I just want you guys to see that there is one bristle missing. It's not because it's used or anything like that, but this is a good brand, by the way. Be Kind, I used something by them the other day, like an oil, but this bamboo brush, I use a paddle brush every time, like when I have wet hair, so I love these. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind there's one bristle missing, but I just have so many brushes right now, I would rather have someone else get this. So if that's an issue, if you guys think so, leave it down below, but the bamboo brush, I don't remember if I said this already, is only in the premium box. Every month with Bombay and Cedar we get 2 essential oils that they make, and they're always so good, and I like essential oils. If you follow me, you know that. But of course, little disclaimer, I always want to say this now, if you have pets, always check with your vet or do some research before you diffuse oils or have them around your pets in any way. So they come with 2 little cards in here too that give like information, like uses for these oils. So I'll keep these nearby. So the first one is lime. Cool, I've never had lime before. And it says lime benefits, cures infections, prevents viral infections, cures toothache, reduces fever, promotes blood coagulation, effective disinfectant, and prevents signs of aging. Blends well with clary sage, lavender, neroli, and ylang ylang. I definitely have lavender. Let's see if this smells exactly like lime. Cool. Like citrus scents are definitely good for uplifting, and can prevent signs of aging. Yes, it smells good. It smells just exactly like a lime. And is it wrong that lime smell just made me think of a Corona? Like, I haven't even had one in a while, but I'm like, yeah. All right, next one is Soothing Peppermint. I think I do have a peppermint already, but that's cool. So the peppermint, let's see what this one does. Oh, and by the way, both of these are $14. So this one can help with that digestion. I've heard peppermint is great for that reason. Like I have peppermint teas I've used for that. It can eliminate bad breath, which we all know already. It can reduce nail infections, relieve headaches, reduce stress, treat spasms, treats urinary tract infections, treats respiratory problems, reduces pain, boosts immunity, and improves blood circulation. Awesome. I already have one open, so I'm not going to crack it open now, even though, oh, it does have the little jar on there. Cool. So there is an expiration on these. I didn't know that. So yeah, those are each $14, so awesome. Alright, we've got like 2 things left. This looks like it's like a beautiful scarf. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I feel like my mom would love this. Get this out of the plastic. Wow, this is such nice material, you guys. I don't want to mess it up too much. I think I definitely will give this as a gift. This is so beautiful. It feels so nice. Do you guys see that like detail, the coloring right there? And it feels like, oh, so good. So let's see what it says on here. Or I'll read it over here. So this is the Oversized Scarf by LOF or LOF. It's $20. This is a 2-tone striped oblong scarf that is the perfect added accessory to any look, whether it's casual or professional. Make it into an infinity scarf or simply wear it as a shawl around your shoulders. Available in several colors. I'm glad I got the pink one. This is so cute. Awesome. And then the last thing in here is, it looks like a journal. It says She Creates on it. And on the back I can see it says the journal to celebrate the joy of new ideas. This is $16.95. It says, here is a place just for her to dream, to discover something new. Here she has space to explore and moments of inspiration to encourage her. So, well, the inside of the cover is pretty. And then I think it's just like blank pages. Oh yeah, some of the pages have like dotted lines, like you can use, I know people do that for like bullet journaling, right? And then further in, oh my god, look at that, that's pretty. There's some blank pages. Man, there's just like beautiful pages throughout, like, or images I should say. Oh, and it says, she creates boldly, softly, deliberately, instinctively. And there's some more bullet pages. Plans. Oh, there's like a little grid there. This is so pretty. I have so much stuff like this. At first I wasn't like thrilled to see this just because like I said, I have so many journals and notepads and everything, and I do like use them, but I have a lot. But this is just so beautiful. I love how all the pages have stuff like this, so awesome. So that was the last thing. So yeah, that was a July Bombay and Cedar. I think it was a good box. Let's see, I like at the end of all my unboxings, I like to think of like what my favorite thing in the box was. Was probably the most thrilled, or am the most thrilled about getting the candles because it smells really good, and I just love candles, and I think this looks so cute, and I'm definitely in need of candles. Yeah, I hope this shower spray can, oh gosh, it's leaking. No, or maybe that was just from before. Look, it looks like I've already like used some, I don't know. Hopefully I can get that figured out. I guess worst case scenario, I can put it into another sprayer bottle because I've got some, so that's, yeah, it's not the end of the world. It's okay. So yeah, that's fine. I didn't even think about that. I have an empty sprayer bottle over there that's never been used for anything before. I think I put water in it to spray my plants once or something, but I used something else now for that. So yeah, overall I think this is a good box. It wasn't my all-time favorite. Bombay and Cedar was last one my favorite. I don't know, I love them so much. Like this is definitely in my favorite boxes, like in the top whatever. I don't know exactly the number. I'm bad at choosing exact figures, but I always love opening this. It makes me so happy, as you can probably tell. Whenever I'm feeling down, and unboxing this could definitely bring me up. I'm really excited to try these teeth wipes too. Have you guys used a teeth wipe before? I just find that really interesting. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And I hope you've had a great weekend. Definitely leave a comment down below your thoughts on all of this, or whatever you want to say. But anyways, I love you guys so, so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.